What is up, guys, and welcome back. So now in this video we will be working up with more variations. So if I want to add more variations, how I am going to add it. Okay, let's just go to the attributes right here and let's just create a different product. Okay, I'm just gonna come here to all products. Okay, and then here I want to create one more product. So for zipper or the t-shirt for men, or like a t-shirt for men by Levi's. Okay, I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna hit duplicate, and this product is going to be duplicated. Okay, and then here I'm just gonna change it. Okay, and t-shirt for men by Nike. Okay, here I want this to be the variable product. Okay, so I'm just doing everything from start so that you understand it, everything. I'm gonna change the image because there should be no image matching with each other. So I'm just gonna choose another one. I'm just gonna search for shirt. Okay, we have chosen the t-shirt, so we need the t-shirt. Okay, this one. Let's just come here and let's hit save. So this one is saved. I'm just gonna come here. I need one more shirt, and that will be blue. Okay, I have chosen the t-shirt. Okay, t-shirt. I have to get the t-shirt. Blue t-shirt. Okay. Let's just grab this one. Let's just come here. Let's just hit download. Okay. Now I need one more, and that will be red t-shirt. This one. Okay. Come here, save it, download it. So you can see that we have these t-shirts right here. I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna go down, and I need to just add the featured image. So my featured image will be the normal one. So I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna drag this one right here, and let's just add it. So this one is the t-shirt image, the featured image basically. I'm just gonna hit set product featured image, and this will be right here. We have variable product as selected. Okay, we have the inventory, and we haven't added manage the stock from here. We will be, since we are adding the variable product, that is why we're not managing the complete stock from here. Every product would be having a different stock. Okay, let's just come here. Let's just go to the variations. Let's just go to the attribute first. Okay, and let's add two attributes. I'm just gonna add first click, and I'm gonna hit one more. Okay, so we have two right here. Now first one is going to be the color, and the second one is going to be the size. Okay, and then we have the color. So I'm just gonna add gray, blue, and the red. Okay, now here for the size, I want small, medium, XL. Okay, this will be used for variations, and this will also be used for variations. I'm gonna hit save attributes, and I'm gonna go to the variations right here. So let's just click the variations. Here we have to select all the variations from all the attributes. I'm gonna hit go right now, and I'm gonna hit OK. So you can see that all the variations will be added. So we have 9 variations added. Okay, don't get confused. I will explain it to you, and you will also understand it when you will see all the variations. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, go. Here we go. You can see that if someone has selected gray and S, if someone has selected gray and a size is small, then we'll charge him this. And if someone has selected blue and a size is small, then we'll select him this. And if someone has selected red, then and his size is small, then we will be choosing different prices. So this is how it's gonna work. Okay. And then what also you can do is that a default value. So you can also just go with from default value. So if I just select gray, and then I hit if the default value is gray, okay, and then I can just set a regular prices for all the gray. Okay, I'm gonna show you how this is gonna work, but first just let's hit no default color. Let's just come here and let's add the price. So if the size is small, okay, if the size is small, then we need to add a price for all the small size. Okay, we don't care about the color. The customer can change the color, but we are not charging them for the size. We are just charging them for the size. Okay, I hope you understand what I am saying. You will understand it better when I will show you how this product is gonna look. I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna hit set regular prices. So here we go. I'm just gonna hit go. Okay, and now here I have to enter a value, and this will be applied to all the small sized, but the default color. Okay, so it don't care about the color. It will be applied to all this. Okay, and for the small size, I'm just gonna choose $25. Okay, I'm gonna hit OK. Oh, okay. This will be applied, and let's see how this is applied. I'm just gonna come here. You can see this is the small, and this has been applied, so this is changed to 25. If I just come here and I just click here, you can see this is also changed. This should be applied to this, but this is also applied here. And this is also applied here. So it is also applied here. If I just come here, I just hit medium right here and the no default color. Okay. So I'm just going to come here. I'm going to hit add a variation. So here I want the set regular price. So for medium, I want to add a regular price. So I'm just going to add, for medium, it should be 30. Okay. Okay. So let's see if we have got the changes. It should not be applied here. So it is applying to everything, I think. Okay, this is not working. Okay, I hope they fix it soon because it is not working. So I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna hit expand, and I'm gonna make the changes to everything. Okay. So for small size, I want to charge them 25. Okay, let's just close everything. And for small blue, I want to charge them 30. Okay. And for not the small, I want to charge them 25 for all the small. So I'm just going to click here again. I'm just going to select the small from here again. I'm just going to add 25. Okay. So here we go. You can see that everything is applied. So this method did not work. This method works like a charm, guys. Seriously. I don't know why it not work here. It might be a fix that they need to do it. So I'm just going to come here to the medium right here. I'm going to select here. Okay. And then here, I need to add for the medium. So medium is already applied, you can see. Okay, I'm just gonna come here and this is also applied. Now let's change it to the XL. So XL will be 450. Okay, we have to apply it to all the XL. So I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna hit 50 for all the XL. Okay, now here I want the 50 for all the XL. So you can see that our pricing variations has been changed. Okay, let me show you what I am saying to you guys. Okay, if I just come here and I just hit publish right now. Okay, and then you can see this is going to be published. Let's wait till this is published. And now I'm gonna open this up. Okay, so here you can see this has been opened. Okay, I need to publish this post page. You can see this is how I got to know that this product is still in draft. Now this product is published. Okay, so if I just refresh this, you will see a permalink will appear. This is a tip that I'm giving you. Okay, this is how it is working. So we have t-shirts for men by Nike. Okay, if I just choose the color, so I choose the color to be gray, it doesn't matter. Okay, but the size will be matter. So if I choose any color, you can see the price is remaining same. Okay, if I choose any color, but if I change the size, I change the size to be medium, you can see that this is changing. If I change the size to be small, you can see this is changing to 25. If I change the size to be XL, it will be changed to $50. So this is how it works. Okay, and for color, we want to change the image. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the variations right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna add the colors. So if someone selects a blue color, okay, if someone selects blue color, then we want to change the image. So I'm gonna go to upload file. I'm gonna grab I hope this is the blue one. Yes. Okay, I'm just gonna hit set variation image. If I just go down and then I select this one also, I'm just gonna add the variation image, and this one will also be the variation image. So here we go. I'm just going to come here. I'm just going to click here. And let's click here. So you can see blue has been added. We have to add for the red. So I'm just going to come here. I'm just going to click here. I'm just going to click here and here. Okay. I'm going to come here. I'm going to click here. I'm going to click here and I'm going to upload it. Okay. And then I'm going to come here. I'm going to click here. I'm going to click here and I'm going to upload it. So variation has been added. Now let's come here. Let's just hit update. And let's have a look at our site. So you can see that now, if I change the color, you can see the image will also be changed. So for blue, it will be turned blue. For red, it will be turned red. Oh, we did one mistake. We didn't added the red color. Okay, let's just come here. Let's go down, and we have to select this one, red. So I'm just going to come here. I'm just going to drag it. I'm just going to come here, and I need to drag and drop this red one right here. Okay, this one should be added, and then I can add the set variation image. So I'm just going to come here. Okay, and for this one red as well, I'm just going to cross it. I'm going to click here. I'm going to add it. So I'm just gonna hit set variation image. So make sure that whenever you add a product, guys, seriously, just go ahead and double check it, because there might be something that you have missed, okay? And it happens. It happens. Seriously, it happens. Even if you are a professional developer, it will happen, because you are a man, and it is not possible that you will not do mistakes. So mistakes will happen, okay? So for color, gray is still gray, the blue is blue, okay? And the red one is red right now. So this is how it is working. So now we're totally done with this. I hope that you have enjoyed this, and I hope that you have got an idea that how the variable product works. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching this, and in the next video we'll be working up with the crop product. Crop products are also important if you want to sell crop products. I'm going to show you how you can sell it, and in the next video we'll be working up with that. So stay tuned, and bye bye.